Hello everyone. Now we are going to see the parts of computer, right? Can you see? Yes, it's a desktop, that is monitor. What we say it? Monitor. Speakers, keyboard, mouse, CPU. What is this one? Anyone guesses? Yes, it's a joystick. It is useful for playing games. Switch. When we need to start computer, we need to switch on, then we can see this window. Okay, now let's start how to start the program. Now I am going to start my window. Can you see my window here? Yes. Now I am going to start a program, but first I will show you a taskbar. Can you see this last blue line here where my pointer arrow is moving? Yes, it's a taskbar. There are some details like start button, Chrome. You can see a date and time also, right? All the details are present on this taskbar. Now I am going to click on start button. Can you see this one, start button? Yes, right. You can access the programs installed on the computer. It is located on the left side of the taskbar. Now I am going to click here. Can you see one window is pop up here? Right. Now I am going to open the paint window. So I am going to type here paint, P-A-I-N-T. Now you can see. Can you see my here one screen? Yes, it's a paint window. You can see one screen, right? Here name as Untitled Paint, right? It's a title bar. It shows the name of the program and it's part of the program window. That is, what is the program window? Anyone knows? Okay, I will tell. A program window is the box in which the program is shown on the screen. Now you can look here. It's a paint program, right? Now there are some buttons. Can you see? One small line, small square box and a cross. They have different meanings. First, minimize, maximize and a close. They are control buttons. That means they can control all the screen here. Now the middle button becomes minimize, maximize, because it store when I am going to click here, it will be getting big window like you can see here. Now you can see changing shape of that button. Can you read it? Restore down, yes, or maximize. Now I am going to click here. You can see the small one window, right? It is smaller than the desktop. Then the middle buttons become maximize, like in this case. Can you see? It's a smaller from my desktop window. Yes, and you can see this blue part. It's my desktop, right? Now and this one all window. This is my program window. When you click on maximize, the program screen becomes bigger. Now I am going to show you how it can be bigger. I am clicking here again. Can you see? It's a bigger, right? Now, but when the program window is full screen, then the middle button becomes restore down. Last time we see it, right? It's restore down. By clicking this, you can make the program screen smaller, right? Now clicking the minimize button. This is minimize button. Now I am going to click. Will hide the paint program from the screen. That means you can't see the paint program. You can't see this window. How it can be done? Just now look here. I am going to click on minimize button. Can you see where is my paint button? Paint window? No. Now we need to find it on taskbar. Can you see this is taskbar last line? Yes. You can see here paint. Now I am going to click here. Can you see the paint window here? Right. You can see it here. Clicking the close button, you will shut down the program. And you can also move this window. Suppose now I am going to move here. Can you see? The paint window is moving on the screen. Corner, up, side, down, in the middle, right? It's moving. Moving is possible here. Click left click on the title bar and hold the button. Doesn't release it. What I am doing here, I am clicking on this button and moving it. Don't releasing. That means मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया है, क्लिक करके ही रखा है, उसे छोड़ा नहीं है. ओके, then you can move that window. Now when you release the left click, the program window will stop where it is. When I am going to pause this one, it will be standing here, not moving. Now you have successfully moved the program window. This process is called drag or drop. I am going to drag, I am going to drop. Dragging, dropping. That means you need to put that window from here to there, and your left, you can release button. That means it's putting there or dropping there. In this way, we learn how to open or how to start the program, right? So you need to remember some things. Desktop is a starting page of the computer. It contains some icons. Can you see there are some icons? Taskbar and the start menu. It's a start menu. We press the start button to see all the programs stored in the computer. Can you see? When I am going to click on start button, I can see all the programs stored on the computer. Paint program is used to draw pictures and color them. Can you see? This is a paint program, right? Now I am going to draw some picture. You can draw some picture as well as you can color it. Can you color it? Yes. Now the next point is title bar is present on the top of the program window. This one, and title paint, it is the title bar, right? It has 3 buttons on the right side. Call them control buttons. These are 3 buttons. We can call them control buttons. Minimize button will hide the program window. Maximize and the restore and the close. These are the 3 buttons here. Maximize button will increase the size of the program. That means it is bigger than a regular one. Restore down button will decrease the size of the program window, and close button will close the program. Now I am going to close this program by clicking the close button. Can you see it? Yes, it's closed now. Hold and left click on the title bar and drag it off from the program window to a different places on the screen. That means what? If I am going to drag, I want to drag some program here. I am going to show here again. Can you see this program? Yes. I am going to hold it, dragging, that is I am moving that window, and I am releasing the button. It will be dropped down on the different places. Suppose upside, downside, left, right, up, down, anyone, any place you can put it here on the screen, right? Understand? Okay, bye bye.